Okay guys, super excited. You're ready for your interview. I'm going to show you here how to record it. All of these steps are right here in the packet. Feel free, you might need to watch this video 2 or 3 times and be really careful to do this correctly. So the first thing you're going to need to do is open 2 things. Your interview document, right? Remember this is in the packet from last week, in the section from last week, I guess. So you're going to open that. This will be all filled out. And then you also need to go to onlinevoicerecorder.com. So I've put that in. It's right here. It's going to look like this. So get there. I would pause this video and open both of those. Okay, you should have both of those open. And now we're going to move on. It's so easy to record. All you do is push this button, okay, to start recording. That's all you do. Quite straightforward. And then when you're done, you're going to hit stop. So I'm going to do a practice video. Excuse me, it's not a video. It's just a recording. Practice recording. Click. Practice recording, practice recording. If I need to pause, I can pause there, and then I can keep going. Now we're recording again, another practice. When I finish, I'm going to click right here, and it will pause it, and it will wrap it up. You can listen to it if you want. Okay, that might not have come through well for you, but there's your recording. Let's go back here. Also, when it's recording, you can move back and forth. I'm going to start over. You can move back and forth to this. So if I was you, I would click record. Here's my practice recording, and then pull up this screen. It's still recording. You can see that little red dot. It's still recording the whole time. And then when you're done, you just stop the video like this. Okay? So we've done step 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're ready for step 5. It says click save. And then step 6 says a little thing is going to pop at the bottom, and you need to click the up arrow above the save document at the bottom of your screen. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. So I click save. And then you can see down here, it's opened this thing, which means it's downloaded. And I'm going to click right here. And the next step says click show in folder. So one more time, I click the up arrow and I click show in folder. And I'm going to end up with a screen that looks like this that has all kinds of stuff. So pause your video if you need to get to this point. Your interview is now done. You're just figuring out how to save it. So you will find your video here. It's going to be record, blah, blah, blah. If you need to, you can go by date modified, and it will bring it to the very top if you can't find it. But it should be the first one. And I'm going to save it. If I go back here, okay, so we clicked share in the folder, and then we want to rename the document first name, last name, StoryCorps interview, and move it to my desktop or H drive, wherever you think it would be easiest for you. So here it is. If you click slowly, or if you left click on it, you can do rename. And I'm going to do, I'm going to pretend my name is Maria Gonzalez, StoryCorps interview. Okay, and then I hit enter, and there's my interview. It has a new name now, and I want to move it to the desktop is easiest for me, or to my H drive. That's a drive that has your name on it. If you're unsure, just move it to your desktop. That'll be an easy place to find it. To do that, you can just drag it here, just like that, and now it's going to be in my desktop right there. Okay, so if you need to watch this video again, that's totally okay. All the steps are right here as well. If it still is a little bit confusing to you, that's okay too. Just reach out to me and I can help you out with it. Thanks, guys.